Alrighty guys, today I'm going to teach you guys the basics of a tennis scoring system here. And on screen we can see we've got a match set up between a home player and an away player. And a tennis match is essentially broken down into three different components. We've got the set, we've got the game, and then we've got the individual points. Okay, so what we want to do to win the match is we want to win 2 sets. What we have to do to win the sets is we have to win 6 games, and what we have to do to win the games is we have to get to 40 points in the game and then win 1 more point. Okay, so we'll get straight into it here, guys. We can see the home player is serving. That's denoted by this little arrow off to the side here. And what we're going to do, we're just going to add 1 point here. So they won the first point. And then if they continue to win points, they'll go to 30. We call this 30 love. 0 is always love in tennis. And then 40 love, and then if they win 1 more point from here, they will win the game. So we'll see this score transfer over to the purple, and this is the games here. Okay, now the away player is going to serve. In tennis, we switch the servers just every game. Okay, so next here, we're going to show off a score line in tennis that we call deuce. All right, and this score line is sort of an important score line because if one player wins 1 more point from here, then the game is not won, as you can see. And essentially you have to win 2 points. So it's 40 all, you have to win 2 points to get the game. Alright, so 1 point is not enough for every player, and if you win another point, so if your opponent has what we call advantage, that's denoted by the AD on screen, then you're going to have to win another point to bring that sort of away from them back to deuce. Alright, so here we see the home player again wins 2 points straight, and they win the game. Alrighty. So that's going to continue on for a while, guys, and until someone gets to 6 games, this is going to continue. So we see the home player here continuing to win games, and I'm going to take the opportunity here at 3 all. We can see that 0 plus 3 here. We've got the 3 here, the 0 here. We're going to swap ends here. We swap when the sum of the games is equal to an odd number. Okay, so we're going to continue to add here, and we see the home player wins the first set. So we see the games come over into the sets. So the home players won 1 set. Very good. All right, so the next scoreline we're going to pay attention to here, guys, is at 5 all. When we're at 5 all, the next person to win a game, this purple category here, does not win the set. As we can see here, we get to 6-5, the set is not over. And that's because when it gets to 5 all, you have to win by 2 games. Alrighty? So next, the home player is going to win again. We see this. The home player gets it, and they win the next set. So now, if it's 1 set all here, guys, or at any moment in any set, if it's 6 games all, we play something we call a tiebreaker. Okay? So the tiebreaker is going to be played simply just to 7 points here. Okay? So we're going to go to 7 points here. Whoever gets to 7 first wins, apart from if it's 6 all, or if it's 5-7, or if it's 5 all, again, the same sort of rules apply that did just for the sets. You play until someone wins 2 in a row. So it's first to 7, win by 2, and here we see the away player getting to 7 first, and they win the match. And we'd say that the home player won this match 2 sets to 1.